Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will be solving the longest common subsequence of three strings. So already we have seen longest common subsequence of two strings, and if you have not yet watched that video, please do watch it. I've already discussed that and done that. So in this it is going to be LCS of three strings. So how will our logic change? So logic will remain the same as what we did for LCS of two strings. Okay. See over here, I can't draw the DP table because it will be a three-dimensional DP. Because three strings are there, it will be three-dimensional DP. Over here, because of two strings, it was DP of two dimension. Here it will be DP of three dimension because there are three strings. Okay. So how is our this thing code going to change now? See, when there are three strings, let us consider some random three strings. Okay, let us say, and I just considered some random strings. So this is S1, this is S2, this is S3. Now what will happen? We will compare the characters, the first characters of all the three strings. Okay, so when we compare the first character of all the three strings, they are not equal. So what will we do in this case? What are we doing in LCS of two strings? Or in LCS of two strings, for example, if these were the two strings, okay, S1 and S2, what we were doing, because first character or the characters at that index are not equal, what we were doing, we were going to do LCS of, we were checking for maximum of LCS of this with LCS of this. So not LCS of those two, so LCS with each other, either this combo or we would check this combo, right? We would neglect either character and we would check for the best possible answer out of these two. So these two options were there for us when we had two strings. So now what will be the options for us? How many options will be there? So in LCS of two strings, we had two options. Over here, we will be having six options. How we will have six options? See, we have three strings and the characters are not same in that particular index. So what can we do? We can, first option is we will take ABACD. We will neglect B over here. Let us neglect B and ACDA and ACBDA. Okay, so this is one option. We can find the answer for this. Second option will be, we will neglect this A. So ABACD, BACDA and CBDA. So you should understand one thing, that we got two options wherein we kept the entire string S1 and we removed the characters from string S2 and S3. So similarly, we will have four more options over here. This string S2 will be intact only, and we will remove one character and check for remaining string in S1, and we'll remove another character from string S3 and we'll check for remaining. So like this, we will get four options, two for each string. So just remember, here we are going to have six options. In LCS of two strings, we had two options. And all this is when the characters are not equal at that index. So suppose this was not B, this was A, then see, characters are equal. So we will include A in our answer. So our answer will have A. If this was not B, this was A, then we would include, because see, A is present everywhere. Then we would include this, and then we would check for the remaining strings. So we would check for this part only. So now I have told you what happens when the characters are equal and what happens when characters are not equal. We will have six options. So same LCS code, if you want, I will show the LCS of two strings and three strings comparison. So this is two-dimensional DP. and first row, first column is all this thing 0 only. So how is it going to change for LCS of 3 strings? We have 3-dimensional DP. Okay, and when I is 0, j is 0, and over here k also will be there, 3 dimensions, right? So then we have to make DP of I, j, k 0 when either of these conditions is there. And look at here, if S1 of I minus 1, if the characters are equal, if S1 and S2 characters are equal, then we will include that in our answer, and our answer will be like the diagonal elements. Diagonal elements will have the answer, right? Not exactly diagonal, but not main diagonal, but yeah, you can say diagonal, diagonally left. So the same thing we will apply here, and we will do 1 plus dp of I minus 1, j minus 1, k minus 1. See, I can't draw this 3-dimensional. I don't have tools to draw the 3-dimension, but you don't have to struggle too much. If you know LCS, so if you have not watched LCS, you watch LCS video. I have explained over there, taking the DP table. I have done recursion also explanation. Just extend that idea for LCS of 3 strings. And this is the main important step. So I hope you have understood this step. Until here it is easy, but over here you have to generate 6 possible answers. So there are 6 possible answers going to be. Over here, see, there are only 2 possible answers. Either we exclude character of first string or we exclude character of second string and find LCS of remaining. Over here, there will be 2 for each string, 2 options for each string. So there will be 6 options in total. So I want you to write that by yourself, try it out by yourself, but the code will be in the description. The answer, the solution will be there. You can check it out, you can refer to it, but try it out by yourself. What all options will be there? Like I was explaining, right? Either we include one character and exclude one, include one, like that. Make combinations. So 6 combinations will be there. So if you want me to run it. So it is giving us correct answer. So just extend the LCS idea over here. And I think you should be comfortable to solve this. So we have done a lot of LCS problems, and we realized how important this LCS problem is. If you remember one small code, you can do modifications here and there and get answers for all other questions. So if you like the video and you got some direction in thinking, hit the like button, it will motivate me. Subscribe to the channel. We are now 2,500 subscribers. Let us gain more. Let us increase our family. And share this video with all your friends. It might help them. Some of them it might help. So that's all for this video. Take care, stay safe, keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned. Bye.